Hi, this is Lorna from Ink and List. I would like to share with you today a little video on how to fix the cord that you cut on Romanian point lace. So like you see, this is the simple Romanian point lace cord. This one is in a gray, in Romano Fear, of course. You can see here different types of cords, thickness. This is a decorative cord. Here's the simple cord. Very thin in Romano Fear, and in Angelica the gemstone collection in a very thick cord. Now I would like to share with you, simple cord, how to actually fix it when you have to cut it. You're all familiar with the idea that making the cord meter long, kilometers long if possible, when you create traditional or jewelry in Romanian point lace. So what happened here, I cut the cord, and this is where we normally continue, you see, and this side is easy to unravel, but this side not so. So what I use normally is a needle, tapestry number 28 or 26, and fine or regular tweezers. So let's get it done. Now, I'm trying to find the ends, and whatever is not used, I'm trying to get rid of. If it's not working first with the tweezers, I'm trying to wiggle my way with the needle. If you use a sharp needle, make sure you use the back part so you don't stab yourself, okay? So we try to pull a little bit and we try to follow, I hope you guys can see it, all the way backwards the thread. Where would it go? Okay, so it's the other one. That's why it's really important to work first with light colors. So you see, I followed, and then because it's a 3D cord, I turn it around and twist it and follow all the way. Now, this is the way to do it. And it's all cut off neatly and take away. You can go further and have more thread, but it's really not needed. At this point, you have a really nice clean look at the end. You put your needle through it and you simply go into it and hide the remain. Okay, so let's do it one more time just to anchor it. Okay, there we go. I know it's a bit short, but this is what's happening. And we just cut the remaining thread off. So far we have a clean look on the Romanian point lace cord. Let me just cut it. Sorry about the noise. And there we go. And we can do this over and over again. And I'm going to show you. Cut. Sometimes you might just need a tiny piece like that. So again, we're wiggling the thread, we're cutting all the remains. See, this is what's happening. And like I said, if you want it a little bit longer, you just follow and wiggle. And simply pull, and then we repeat the process. There we go. Simple as that. It's very important that you do your cord actually a bit longer, so that way you actually can cut exactly as you need. If you just simply do the cord and you try to measure, for example, a leaf, and you see, oh, I might need just 3 more rounds to do and I'm up to here. By the time you actually cut, it could be that you actually still are too short on it, see? But if you keep going, you cut exactly the length that you need, you're better off. It's a bit more work once you have to like cut the remaining threads, but it's actually more effective. And then we will do the same. Cut and cut, and it will actually not come apart. Okay, so let me know if you have more questions regarding cutting the cord. The same goes also for these type of cords, for the thin cords or for the decorative one, depending what you like. They can be cut both ways. Now if you have any other questions, please let me know. What I'm working at the moment is a Gumtree eucalyptus necklace. It's the first for 2022, and if you like to have that in a pattern, please let me know. So this is it. Also, I would like to thank you all for following my YouTube. I have not been updating lately due to COVID and due to personal issues. I had no time to do any videos, but now I'm slowly trying to get back into my rhythm. So if you have any questions regards this necklace or any other pattern, please let me know. The website is still having a little glitch, so I'm trying to sort that one out, but I'm having a massive thread sale at the moment. So if you're interested in fine threads, thicker threads, regular crochet and lace, point lace threads, please get in touch either on YouTube or Instagram, where you find me most of the time with little reels and updates, and I can show you what's still available. They go actually quite quickly, so not a lot is left. So thanks for watching. I'm looking forward to do a mix of embroidery and Romanian point lace with this type of necklace. So la revedere, vă pup.